Hello everyone, Satan here with Torn Tutorials, bringing you a new guide on shoplifting and crimes 2.0. As you take a look at the menu for the shoplifting crime, you'll see notoriety bars here. These bars increase as you commit the crime. Every 5 minutes they decrease by a small amount. In this column, you can see what kind of security measures are available or disabled. You 100% can do very well in this crime, even if security measures are not disabled. So be adventurous. I am close to 100 skill in this crime and have only gotten 20 critical fails. You can also increase your crime success rate with the mountain bike, which I recommend buying from the item market. A merit can be earned for maxing out all of the bars at the same time, so when you first start off the crime, you'll want to try to earn this merit as soon as possible. There is another merit for reaching 100 skill in the crime. If your goal is strictly merits, the most effective way to get the theft merit is with the search for cash crime. The search for cash crime can get you theft merits twice as fast as shoplifting. This crime is not pointless though. Picking the Sally's Sweet Shop option is great for new players because it will get you lots of candy for your candy jump. The Bits and Bops option is an okay pick in my opinion. It can be used to get you alcohol items. However, at the time of making this video, I found Bits and Bops to not be very reliable for beer. As far as my personal opinion goes, I would only recommend doing this crime for the 2 honor bars and then moving back to searching for cash, unless if you need candy for your candy jump. Thank you everyone for watching, liking, and sharing. I hope this video has earned your subscription. I wish you all the best of luck in Torn.